It was another difficult night for Ukrainian services. As usual, the main target of the drone and missile attacks was energy infrastructure. But missiles also fell on civilian targets. Here in Odessa, a parking lot full of cars was destroyed, and firefighters had to battle the elements for several hours. In the last week alone, the Russian invader has used over 2,000 drones and nearly 120 missiles. A significant portion of these missiles were destroyed by air defenses, but unfortunately, several of them reached their targets. A combat drone attack completely destroyed this house. A family lived there, 3 children, a pregnant mother, and a father with a disability. The father and children were killed. Every day of this nearly 4-year war brings more victims and more tragic stories. The situation is also difficult on the front line. Soldiers fighting in the Donetsk region describe what it is like to fight when the enemy is not a human being, but a machine, specifically a drone, or more precisely, swarms of them. We go, we shoot, we go. The drone buzzes. We don't go. It doesn't buzz, we go. Sometimes we take a 5-minute break for a cigarette. Sometimes we sit for an hour or 2 while it flies. Sometimes it flies like hell. But despite the exhaustion and mortal danger, no one here even thinks about surrendering Donbass to the enemy. If we will give up the Donetsk region, they will settle there, and then they will have the opportunity to go further, much further. And it is precisely the transfer of Donbass to Moscow that is to be the condition for a ceasefire. Next week, the third round of trilateral peace talks between delegations from Ukraine, the United States, and Russia is to take place. This time, the meeting place will be Geneva. And today, Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky visited a new joint Ukrainian-German drone production plant during the Munich Security Conference. Up to 10,000 machines will roll off the assembly line annually.
That's great that we have the first production, big co-production in Europe, and this is the first one. And we've got today, I think, great result. We saw real drones. It will be very helpful for, first of all, of course, for Ukrainian soldiers, who are today absolutely heroic people. They are on the front. They give their lives.
These people are also heroes in the eyes of many Ukrainians. Teams of electricians who go out almost every night to repair the power lines. Nothing has changed. The Russians are still bombing us, attacking violently, destroying everything. First, when I was here, they hit and destroyed the roof. Then they destroyed the equipment. Everything was lost. This is simply terrorism. It depends on their work, whether there will be electricity, and consequently heat in homes and apartments, with temperatures below freezing. This often means a chance of survival.